Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Python, pandas is a powerful library for data manipulation and analysis. One common task is to create a table from a data frame, which is a two-dimensional, tabular data structure. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process of creating a table from a data frame using pandas. If you haven't installed pandas yet, you can do so using the following command. Now, let's import the pandas library and create a simple data frame. For this tutorial, we'll use a fictional dataset of students and their exam scores. Now, you have a data frame, DF, containing student information with columns for student ID, name, math score, and English score. Before creating a table, let's display the data frame to visualize the data. This will output. Now, let's create an HTML table from the data frame using the to_HTML method in pandas. The index equals false parameter ensures that the row indices are not included in the table. You can save the HTML table to a file using the following. Alternatively, you can display the HTML table directly in a Jupyter notebook or web application. That's it. You have successfully created a table from a data frame in Python using pandas. You can customize the appearance of the table by exploring additional options in the pandas documentation. ChatGPT.